Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet using a PC browser. Let's dive in. Start by opening your Phantom wallet browser extension. If it's not already logged in, enter your password or recovery phrase to access your wallet. Next, you'll need to transfer your Solana to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Solana withdrawals. Let's use MetaMask as an example, or maybe Bybit or Binance. First, make sure your MetaMask wallet or Binance or Bybit is set up to receive Solana by adding the Solana network to your wallet. You'll need a Solana RPC details to configure this. Once your wallet is ready, log in and go to the Assets section. Find Solana on the list and click Receive. You'll see your unique Solana wallet address, so copy this address carefully. Now go back to your Phantom wallet. Click on your Solana balance, then select Send. Paste the MetaMask or Bybit or Binance wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount of Solana you'd like to send, and confirm the transaction. Double-check the details to avoid errors and click Send. Wait for the transaction to complete. This usually takes a few minutes depending on network traffic. Once it's done, your Solana will appear in your MetaMask wallet. To cash out, you'll need to swap your Solana for a stablecoin like USDC or USDT on a decentralized exchanges as Uniswap or a platform that supports swap. Once you have a stablecoin, transfer it to a centralized exchange like Binance or Kraken to convert it into your local currency and withdraw to your linked bank account. And that's it! You've successfully cashed out Solana from your Phantom wallet using MetaMask, Binance, or Bybit. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.